Om Gururam Namaste. Good morning, all of you. My dear fourth class students. Today discuss about multiplications. See here from your activity book, page number 32. Okay, see here. Multiply the number in the center with the surroundings digits and put the products in outer circle. So one is done for you. This is 206, here 2, here 10, here 3, here 8, 6, 4 beta. 206 with multiply 2, you can get products. See here, 6 2s are 12, 2 taking, 1 carrying, 2 0 0 0 plus 1, 2 2s are 4, 412. Now next, 206 is multiplied by 10, you can write 0 where after one's place digit. So you can write directly 2060 means 2060. Next, 206 with multiply 3. 206 multiply with 3, 3 6 are 18, in it 8 taking, carrying 1, 3 0 0 0 plus 1 1, 3 2 are 6. So 680. Now next, 206 into 8. 8 6 are 48, in it 8 taking, carrying 4, 8 0 0 0 plus 4 4, 8 2 are 16, 1648. Now next, 206 into 6. 6 6 are 36, in it 6 taking, carrying 3, 6 0 0 0 plus 3 3, 6 2 are 12, 1236. 1236. Now next, 206 into 4. See here, 4 6 are 24, in it 4 taking, carrying 2, 4 0 0 0 is added to 2, you can get 2, 4 2s are 8. Product is equals to 824. See here once again, 206 into 2 you can get 412, 206 into 10 you can get 2060, 206 into 3 you can get 618. Next, 206 into 8 you can get 1648, 206 into 6 you can get 1236, 206 into 4 you can get 824, 206 into 2 you can get 412. Now next one, see next one, 1546 multiply 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 10. See, first we multiply 1546 with 3. 1546 into 3. See, listen carefully beta. I can say shortcut method. 3 6 are 18, in it 8 taking, carrying 1. 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 1 13, in it 3 taking, carrying 1. 3 5s are 15, 15 plus 1 16, 6 taking, carrying 1. 3 ones are 3, 3 plus 1 4. So what we get? Product is equals to 4638. 4638. Now next 1546 into 4. 4 6 are 24, in it 4 taking, carrying 2. 4 4 are 16, 16 plus 2 18, 8 taking, carrying 1. Next 4 5 are 20, 20 plus 1 21, in it 1 taking, carrying 2. Next 4 1s are 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6184. 6184. Now next 1546 is multiplied with 6. 6 6 are 36, in it 6 taking, carrying 3. 6 4s are 24, 24 plus 3 27, in it 7 taking, carrying 2. 6 5s are 30, 30 plus 2 32, in it 2 taking, carrying 3. 6 1s are 6 plus 3 9. So product is equals to 9276. 9276. Now next 1546 into 7. 7 6 are 42, 2 taking, carrying 4. 7 4s are 28 plus 4 32, 2 taking, carrying 3. 7 5s are 35, 35 plus 3 38, 8 taking, carrying 3. Next 7 1s are 7, 7 plus 3 10. 10,822. 10,822. Now next 1546 is multiplied by 10. You can write 0 after ones place of the given number. So here this is 15460, 15,460. Now next 1546 is multiplied with 2. 2 6 are 12, 2 taking, 1 carrying, 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9, 2 5s are 10, 0 taking, carrying 1, 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3. So that is 3092. That is the product. This is very very important. So remaining problem you can do. Next, solve the following to reach the treasure. Few are done for you. See, this is very very important. Listen carefully, beta. See here, first see here, 7 into 8, you can get what, beta? 7 into 8, you can get 56. 56 into 4. See here, 56 into 4, you can get 4 6 are 24, 4 taking, carrying 2, 4 5 are 20, 20 plus 2 22, 224. See here, 224 beta. See, 224. See here, 224 is, you can write here. Where? So here 224. Again 224 is multiplied by 2. Did you understand? 224 also multiply by 2 means 224 into 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. So you can write it here. Where? See here. So this is first step. Next, what we get? 448. Again 448 is multiply with 5. 448 also multiply with 5. 448 into 5. 5 8s are 40 in it. 0 taking, carrying 4. 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 4, 24, in it 4 taking, carrying 2, 5 4s are 20 plus 2, 22. So 2240. You can write here 2240. Again 2240 multiply with 3. Thousand 240 into 3, 300, 3 4s are 12, 2 taking, carrying 1, 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7, write down 3 2s are 6. What do we get beta? 6720. So 6720 you can write here. 6720. Now 6720 is multiply with 4. 6720 multiply with 4. See here 400, 4 to the 8, 4 7s are 28. In it 8 taking, carrying 2, 4 6 are 24, 24 plus 2, 26. So 26,880. So you can write here 26,880. See here 26,880 again multiply by 2. 26,880 into 2. 200, 28, 28 the 16, 6 taking 1 carrying, 28 the 16, 16 plus 1 17, 7 taking 1 carrying, 2 6 the 12, 12 plus 1 13, 3 taking 1 carrying, 2 to the 4 plus 1 5. What we get? So 53,760. You can write it here. See 200, 28 the 16, 6 taking 1 carrying, 28 the 16, 16 plus 1 17, 7 taking 1 carrying, 2 6 are 12, 12 plus 1 13, 3 taking 1 carrying, 2 to the 4 plus 1 5. You can write it here. 53,760. So 53,760 is multiplied by 1, you can get same. See here 53,760 into 3. Three 6 are 18, 8 taking, carrying 1, 3 7 are 21, plus 1 22, 2 taking, carrying 2, 3 3 is 9, 9 plus 2, 11, 1 taking, 1 carrying, 3 5 is 15 plus 1, 16. So, what is the total treasure? See here, 1,61,280. Now next, fill in the blanks by doing the appropriate division or multiplication. See first one, 154 divided by 2 is equals to dash. See here, so how many digits we have to take from left to right? 2 digits. 2 7s are 14. 5 minus 4 1, 1 minus 1 bring down 4. 2 7s are 14. So 14 minus 14, 0. You can write 77. So this problem you can do here. Now next, 288 divided by dash is equals to 288 divided by dash is equals to 8. Say what we have to do? See here, 288 divided by dash is equals to 8. Again, 288 is divided by 8, you can get this answer. Means 8 is taking as divisor, 288 taking as dividend. So 8 3s are 24. 8 minus 4 4, 2 minus 2 0, bring down 8. 8 6 are 48. 48 minus 48. So you can write it here 36. Now next, dash divided by 6 is equals to 38. Again divided. 6 is taking as divisor. See, this is not correct way, I think. So if you, I can say a value, the empty box I can say x. So you can find out x value. So divide is goes to this side into. See means here what you have to take here, take a multiplication 38 into 6. So 6 8s are 48. 8 taking carrying 4. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 4 22. 18 plus 4 22. So here you can write 228. 228. Now next, (324) divided by dash is equals to 9. So here we have to take division, not multiplication. So you can find out the divisor, no? You can find out the divisor. So quotient into divisor you can get dividend. But here there is no divisor. So this dividend is also divided by quotient, you can get divisor. See here 324. See 9 3s are 27. 9 4s are 36. 9 3s are 27. Here 12 minus 7. 5 cut it to 2 minus 2 0. Break down 4. 9 6 are 54. So then you can write here 36. That's it. Now next 768. Divided by dash is equals to 8. Now you have to take a divisor. 8 is taking as divisor, 768. So here you have to take two digits from left to right. 8 9 ja 72. 6 minus 2 4. 7 minus 7 0. Bring down 8. 8 6 are 48. 48 minus 48 0. The answer is 96 right there. The given dash. Now next see here next dash divided 5 you can get 14. Now here you have to take multiplication, means 14 into 5. 5 4s are 20, 0 taking carrying 2, 5 1s are 5, 5 plus 2 7. So 7. Now next bit, multiplication and division are inverse operations. By the following given example, solve the following. See here, listen carefully. This is very easy. Solve the following. Solve the following. See here, 12 into 9, 12 9s are 108, 108. See, 9 12s are same. You can get 108. Now next 108 is divided by 12. 108 is divided by 12, it gives 9. Next 108 is divided by 9, it can give, the answer is 12. Means one subtraction fact, it can give two division facts. So according to our problem, you can see here 15 into 14 is equals to 210. Next 14, if you take any two numbers, you can add in any order. The product remains the same. See here 14 into 15 also you can get 210. Next 210 divided by 14. So what we get? You can get 15. Next 210 is divided by 15. What we get? You can get 14. Now next 324 into 6 is equals to 1944. 324 into 6 is equals to 1944. Here 6 into 324 also, what is the product here? 1000, you can get 1944. Then 1944 is divided by 6. What we get? You can get 324. Next 1944 divided by 324. What we get? You can get 6. See here next 3045 into 14, that is equals to 42,630. Again 14 into 3045, you can get 42,630. Now next 42,630 divided by 14, what we get? 3045. Next 42,630 is divided by 3045, you can get 40. Now next 15,380 into 6, you can get 92,280. 6 into 15,380, you can get same 92,280. 92,280 divided by 15,380, you can get 6, as well as 92,280 is divided by 6, you can get 15,380. 8. See here, look at the blackboard everybody. So we can find out connection with one number to another number. See here, 45 plus 17. 45, listen carefully. 45 plus 17. Possible? Not possible. See, 45 minus 17. See here, 5 minus 7 possible? Not possible. Take borrowing. Here 15. 15 minus 7, 8. Cut it. 3 minus 1, 2. 28. Again, 45 minus 28. See here, 5 minus 8 not possible. Take borrowing. 15. 15 minus 8, 7. 32. 3. 3 minus 2, 1. So, 17 is subtracted from 45. You can get 28. 28 is subtracted from 48. You can get 17. Then 28 is multiplied by 17. You can get this number beta. See here, 28 into 17. 7 8s are 56. 6 taking, carrying 5. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 5, 19. 1 space cut it. 1 8s are 8. 1 2s are 2. Here 6. 9 plus 8 is 17. 7 taking, 1 carrying. 1 plus 1 2 plus 2, 476. Did you understand everybody? See here, 28 is subtracted from 45. You can get 17. Means 45 minus 28. You can get 17. 45 minus 17. You can get 28. And 28 into 17 or 17 into 28. You can get 476. Now next problem you can do. See here, according to our activity book, here 25, here 46, here there is no number, and here also there is no number. This is plus, this is into. So you can find out first this number. How you can get this number? 46 minus 25 means 25 is subtracted from 46. You can get this number. Means here 46 minus 25. Then 6 minus 5 1, 4 minus 2 2. What we get? You can get 21 here. Now check it. Again 46 minus 21. 6 minus 1 5, 4 minus 2 2. So your assumption is correct. So here 21. Again 25 is multiplied with 21. You can get the product. See here, 25 into 21. 1 5s are 5, 1 2s are 2, 2 5s are 10. 1 space cut it. You can write under 10's place, carrying 1, 2 to the 4 plus 1 5. See here, 5 2 5, 525. Yes. 525. Now next one. $112, 78 dash dash. See here, 78 is subtracted from 112. You can get this answer. 112 minus 78. 2 minus 8 possible, not possible. Take borrowing here 12, it can last here 0. 12 minus 8, 4. 0 minus 7, not possible. Take borrowing 10. 10 minus 7, 3, here 0. So 34. Now you can multiply 78 with 34. See here, 78 into 34. 4 8s are 32, 2 taking, carrying 3. 4 7s are 28, 28 plus 3, 31. So once plus cut it. 3 8s are 24, 4 taking, carrying 2. 3 7s are 21, 21 plus 2. 21 plus 2 you can get 23. See here 2, 1 plus 4, 5, 3 plus 3, 6, 2. 2652. 2650. Now next 61 see 61 minus 28. 1 minus 8 not possible. Borrowing 11 minus 8, 3. Cut it. 5 minus 2, 3. 33. So you can write it here 33. Now next 33 into 28. 8 3s are 24, 4 taking, carrying 2, 8 3s are 24, 24 plus 2, 26. Eight 3s are 24, 4 taking, carrying 2, 8 3s are 24, 24 plus 2, 26. Once plus cut it. 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6. Here 4, 6 plus 6, 12, 2 taking, 1 carrying, 6 plus 2, 8, 9. 924. Okay, thank you everybody. Thank you so much.